What's going on, everybody? Josh again from JR's Diecast Customs. Today's video, we're going to be talking about something a little bit different than we usually do. Clearly, we're talking about Mini GT. And I tell you what, if you guys do not collect Mini GT, you might want to start by the end of this video today. I just recently started picking these things up. I got Amazon Prime over the winter to pick up some gifts for family and my girlfriend and stuff like that. And these sold on Amazon for roughly between $10 to $15, $17 a piece. With Prime, a lot of times they come with free shipping and stuff. And I tell you what, guys, this is premium diecast at its finest. And at the $10 to $15 price point, I really don't think you can beat it. I really don't think you can beat it. We're going to get right into these things. I have 7 to show you right here. I have 2 more on the way because I can't stop because they're so gorgeous. But we're going to start with this Supra right here. So let me rotate my camera down and zoom in a little bit for you guys. That one is going to be the HKS Toyota GR Supra in Nocturnal Black. So these all come with these fancy little boxes, which I'll show right here. So a little zoomed in, but they all come in these boxes, which also come with these plastic inserts on the inside. So you can actually put the car on the inside in actual like blister packaging. So it's not banging around inside this cardboard packaging, which I love, which I think is a great idea. But just look at the details on these things, guys. The paint is always really, really good. The decals are really always laid perfectly even, very straight. The only time that I've ever seen a little bit of a slight weird tampo lay was on this HKS Skyline, and I'll show you guys in a bit here. But yeah, this one's the HKS GR Supra, Nocturnal Black. You obviously got the titanium colored tips, and you got the Yokohama Advan GT wheels on there, which look really good. This is the Pan wide body kit on this one, which is pretty cool. Also, this little turntable's Mini GT as well. Obviously, these cars aren't Liberty Walk or nothing, but I picked this up from Amazon as well, and I thought that was a pretty good deal. Added a little bit more spice to my video, so I don't have to hold, guys don't have to see my ugly fingers in the video so much anymore. But yeah, these models are fantastic. I love all the details. They even have like the defrosters on the back over here. Like, that's incredible. I love how good that looks. I love how their carbon fiber pieces turn out really, really well as well. You can see these carbon fiber flaps in the back and the rear fender. They look great. Obviously, you have insert details for the headlights and taillights, which is really nice as well. I just love the details on these cars. Absolutely love the details on these cars. I'm going to back us back up here for a second. Boop. And I'm going to start showing you guys these ones that are packaged. Then I'm going to open everything up really quick and throw everything on that turntable and talk about everything. So this one, obviously the Toyota TRD 3000 GT Supra in Renaissance Red. This one, back end, kind of looks like it's sagging a little bit. We're going to find out right now because I already have these already open. So I'm not going to waste you guys' time with this here. Toss that package on the ground there. And pop this car out. Little bit of a sag in the back, but it rolls nice, which is all that matters. But look at that, guys. That's going to be really cool. I'm just going to toss it right over here. I'm just throwing it on the turntable. We'll talk about it more. This one is the Corvette C8R. This is the number 3 2020 IMSA 24 Hours of Daytona release. And this is obviously you're going to be your classic Corvette livery. You have like the racing. Oh, it's just hard. This is such a good looking model. I got this in the mail yesterday after I actually sold at a diecast show yesterday. Made some good money, got rid of some stuff, found some cool stuff, which I'll show in another video. But I was speechless when I got home and saw this, which I'm obviously speechless about it now. The decals and everything on it are really good. Let's pop it open quick. I'm going to stick it over here and we'll throw it on the turntable here in a moment. I can't wait to dive into that one a little bit more. This one is the Skyline GTR R32. This is the Group A, number 55, Japan Touring Car Championship. Kiyosaki livery, number 55. Looks really good. Obviously, I have the trifecta right there. This is the last piece of the puzzle, and I got it. So I'm super pumped about that. Another absolutely beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these Mini GT castings, guys. I got home from the diecast show and I got these, and I'm looking at these things and I'm like, do I just like sell all my stuff and just start buying Mini GT? Because these are they're so nice. They're just so darn nice. So I'm just trying to get my camera sorted so everything can be centered and everything. Like I said, a little bit new layout for this. We're trying to sort some things out, work some things in. Let's get that Supra off there. Let's hop right into this Skyline GTR 32 number 87. This is 1992 Japan Touring Car Championship. HKS livery number 87. You obviously have all the details like this that I spoke about in the prior Supra. Headlight inserts, taillight inserts. I love the era correct wheels that they put on. They're all actual styled wheels, which is awesome. It's not just like a generic wheel for every casting. Every casting has different wheels on it. I mean, if you're going to have the touring car Skylines, they're all going to have the same, raised style wheels on there. I want to say they're raised. Or no, I mean, there's Advan decals all over these. So they're probably Advan wheels. But yeah, just phenomenally detailed. All of these models are. I'm going to let you guys... I love the side exit exhaust on all of these Skylines as well. This was a must grab. This was actually the first one I bought. This was the first Mini GT model that I bought. Comes with a cool box, like they all do, like I said. Next up is my favorite car of all time. Let me get that hair out of there. Cat hair everywhere. Got a couple long-haired cats. One's a Maine Coon, and the other one's just a... He's going to be a chonky boy, I'll tell you what, but he sheds like a beefy boy already. He's just a little kitten. But yeah, so this one's the HKS Skyline number 87. Super Oil livery. You obviously have like that green and the purple and the red on there. This is the classic JDM Skyline, in my opinion. This is the most JDM as it gets, as far as it goes for me. I've talked about Larry Chen's shoots with this car and everything. I just love this car. This just brings me back to being a kid, seeing it in Gran Turismo, seeing these liveries in Gran Turismo, really, because it was on the drag car and stuff. They didn't have this touring car in the game, but just so cool. Just such a cool, timeless livery. You obviously have the Advan on the back there, HKS plates, insert details for the taillights and stuff. Just a phenomenal model. Phenomenal model. God, I love these Mini GTs so much. Like I said, and I'm not even at this Corvette yet, which I've already gone bonkers about. And talk about Gran Turismo. This is another one that they did have in Gran Turismo. Calisonic Skyline GTR R32 as well. This is from the 1993 Japan Touring Car Championship as well. So the HKS 87 Super Oil car and this Calisonic Skyline were in the same series at the same time. So you can see these cars on the track together, I'm sure, in videos, which is super cool. These are just, like I said, I've spoken so much about the details and the attention to detail that Mini GT has. It's just so good. It's so good. I have so many gripes about things from Hot Wheels and Matchbox and stuff like that about, tires being too big or weird proportions or off tempos and stuff like that. But I mean, they're usually $1 to $5. I mean, but the RLC castings are $25, and a lot of them have been dog shit lately, to be honest. I mean, the quality on those have not been great. I've gotten every single one of these and opened them up and just been in awe for the longest time just looking at them. I mean, hopefully you guys can just stare at these things for as long as I can, because I got a few more to show you, and they're just going to sit here and spin while I just talk very highly about them. I mean, how couldn't you guys? Look at this. Just... everything is just so perfect about these models. You even have the Skyline not tampoed, but like casted into the rear end there. That's awesome. Like, that's incredible. All right, next up, we're going to the new stuff. This is the TRD 3000 GT Supra. I don't know too much about this car, actually. I know that it was a very limited run release by Toyota. But I love the body kit on it. I love the big open vent on the side, the classic Supra hood, that you see on, like, Brian Supra from Fast and the Furious and stuff like that. The front bumper is nice low. It's got a big splitter on the front end and stuff. It's a really, really good looking car. I like the spoiler on the back. A lot of people like the classic, like, rounded spoiler, but I really, really like the style of this one. I like the flat top spoiler, big exhaust on the back. And like I said, these are all era correct paints and wheels as well. So you really can't beat it, guys. For literally, like I said, these cars are like $12 to $15, $10 to $15. The next one that I have coming was $8. It was on sale. I got it for $8. And it's got this level of detail. Like, no brainer. Absolutely no brainer. If you guys don't collect Mini GT, you guys should. You guys should. I'm going to try to, I think I might try to sell some of my stuff to get some more of these. To clear some space to display these because these are just so pretty. They really are. Beautiful casting of that Supra. I love it. I thought the wheel was going to be kind of funked when I pulled it out of the package because it was sagging a little bit, but it sits perfectly flat and it rolls great. I'm going to save that Supra for last. Let's go up next. We got the Kiyosaki number 55 R32 GTR. This one is also from the 1993 Japan Touring Car Championship. So with the HKS Super Oil and the Calisonic, same series, same year. I'm going to have to look up some videos of this stuff because, dude, that would be sick. I got to see these cars all on the track together. Damn, because that would be super cool. This is my first look at this one, really. I love just all those little decals. Like the kill switch and the battery switch. All that is just so cool. Insert details and stuff. Oh, man. These are so good. These are so good. Sometimes you just gotta let it spin and just look at it. I like the details like that they have here. Like on the right mirror, they have it painted orange. On this right headlight as well, they have that like front corner painted orange. That's super neat. I don't know why. You know, it's obviously part of the actual livery, but I mean, look at like. It says the names. Like the names are like so clearly printed of the drivers on the quarter panel. It's incredible. On the fender. These are just so nice. This was another one. This one was like $13. Something like that. But I mean, in my opinion, I don't own any Tomica Limited Vintage, but how could they get much better than this? I mean, dude, how could they get much better? For like $60, $70 that they're being sold for. You know what I mean? They're incredible models. Don't get me wrong, but dude, for like 12, 15, you have this. How do you beat that? I don't know. I honestly don't know. And next up is going to be one of my favorite ones. And pulling this out of the package just feels super heavy. I love the wheels on this. I love this. This is your Corvette C8R. This is the Corvette Racing 2020 IMSA 24 Hours of Daytona model. Oof. I don't even know, man. Just look at it. They didn't miss a single thing on this one. You even have the exhaust detail, the splitter, the massive rear splitter. Big rear spoiler with the Sirius XM logo on the back. I mean, that is ridiculous. So let me give you a little like comparison here. So that model right there, I paid $16, I believe, $14 on Amazon, and that was like free shipping with Prime. Okay, and then you go to the store, and then you spend what is it, $12.99, $13, $14.99 on Team Transports, and you get the truck and everything, and then you get that model. Which when I got it, I was like, dude, that's so good, that's so cool. But then when I got the Mini GT, I was like, dude, like what? Like that, the Hot Wheels did a good job. They really did do a really nice job on it. But for the same price, you could have the one on the right. And if you choose the Hot Wheels model over the one on the right, because you think it looks better, I'm going to tell you that I think you're wrong. I think you're dead wrong, pal. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal casting. Yeah, I don't... So, Mini GT, guys, if you're not on the bandwagon, you should start. You should start getting on the bandwagon, because I tell you what, these are just... They're just too good. They are just too good. Let's bring the whole Skyline famine for a photo shoot. Bring them all in. The gang's all here, guys. Gang's all here. Oh, let me bring the Supra in too. Make some room. What's your favorite? What is your favorite on this video, guys? I'll be honest. It's definitely the Corvette. And I got to go with the HKS Skyline. Because, I mean, that's just... Those are just my two favorite. I think they're the best two looking ones. Decos are great on every single one. I don't know. I can't get enough of these. Like I said, I got two more on the way. I can't stop looking at them on Amazon. I'm going to get so many goddamn little packages showing up at my house from these things, but I don't know. Can't help myself. They're too good. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, I'd love for you guys to leave a like and a comment and let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you guys have any Mini GTs as well. Let me know if you do, which one that you own is your favorite as well, because I'd love to dig into these more and see what they have out there, because there's a ton of them. They're all numbered. Obviously, all the boxes are numbered, so 103 and stuff like that. This one's up to 231. So there's at least 231 of these bad boys. Oh, I lied. At least 253 of these bad boys out there that I got to look at and see which ones I really, really want. Because if they look like this, I tell you what, there's probably a ton of them that I do. But like I said, thanks for stopping into today's video, guys. Leave a like if you liked the video. Make sure you comment and let me know which one is your favorite. If you're new to the channel, give me a subscribe. See if you're into this kind of stuff. You know, hopefully you liked the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'll have some more Mini GTs coming in soon.